Umroi MLA Damanbat Lamare yesterday inaugurated the newly constructed and well-equipped auditorium of Umroi Presbyterian Secondary School. The construction of the auditorium cost over Rs 40 lakhs, of which Rs 5.95 lakh was allocated through the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. Speaking at the event, the MLA acknowledged the substantial expenditure involved and emphasized the importance of the facility as a blessing and as an asset for the students and the school administration.
Ya kini ke sekolah berjumpa, omkang kini ke sekolah berjumpa. Anda ini jelek dan pendek-pendek yang baru di sekolah berjumpa apa kini ke Umroi konstitusi kejim kejoma. Nama ke sekolah kini ke wei ke bertangkam hari ini pun mesti komentar.